Hello guys, welcome to Drawing for Kids. Hopefully entertained and enjoy for watching. This time, I drew a super cute tow truck.
A little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, which was against.
Do you also want to draw this tow truck, guys?
Laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Wow, amazing!
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
Nice!
Mary had a little lamb, little
It's time to color this tow truck, guys. Let's go! Black,
lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
red,
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its
pale
fleece
baby
was
blue,
white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went.
green,
Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
yellow,
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one
Brilliant
day. It
blue.
followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see
Deep
a
green.
lamb at school.
orange,
So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited
green, gray,
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love
Pink.
Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does
Look how beautiful the
lamb
tow
love
truck
Mary
is.
So? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
tow truck. Thank you for watching. I hope you are entertained and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Little lamb,